to Disney this day, I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 1954, actor, director, and producer Ron Howard was born. He's best known for his roles in The Andy Griffith Show, American Graffiti, and Happy Days, as well as being an Oscar-winning director. Howard's work for Disney began in 1969 on the vinyl The Story and Song from the Haunted Mansion. He also appeared in The Wild Country, Walt Disney's Wonderful World of Color, and also directed Splash, Willow, and Solo, a Star Wars story. Happy birthday, Ron! It's your 70th birthday! Everybody else, have a magical day.